Hello Divi members, my name is Lati and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to showcase another product and the name of the product is Divi Gardening layout. So let's go to my screen and I will show you how that layout looks like and how you can use that on your next Divi project. So as you can see on my screen, we have this beautiful Divi Gardening layout. So let me just refresh it so you can see the animations we have used in our Divi Gardening layout. So as you can see on my screen, all over the animations are there and everything. Okay, let's get back to the first section so I can just explain you. The first section, which will be a hero section, and this is in which you can write the your gardening center name over here, and then we have some description. After that, the title, and then we have this learn more button in which you can place a link, so it can be linked to any section of the layout over here. And then the second section, we have this superior products, fully insured expert team, so it can be something about your gardening center, like how you treat your garden and all of those stuff. And then we have this who are we section, in which this will be a about us section, so you can write about your company or about your gardening center, like what do you do and how do you do and all those stuff. And then we have this read more button, which can be linked to another page or another section of this layout. And then we have this why choose section, in which you can just write about your gardening center features, like 24/7 availability, no hidden cost, affordable prices, certified team, so something like that. And the next section, we have this beautiful gallery over here, so you can just place your garden images, and you can write some text over here. You can see this beautiful animation once we hover the text, and the overlay comes over. And okay, let's go to the next section. And the next section, we have this video section, in which you can write about something related to the video that you are going to post over here on the right side. And then we have this button in which you can link to another page of videos, like where you post the videos. It can be a YouTube channel link, or a page where you post all of your videos. And then we have the next section of testimonials, so it can be your past client reviews over here. The next section, we have this achievement section, in which you can write like whatever the projects you have done, how many team members do you have in your team, and then this much of awards and 2,300 happy clients, so something like that. And then we have this our perfect team, so it can be like the team members you have in your team, so it can be listed over here. If you want, if you have more than 3, then you can duplicate this section, and you can just add more team members. And then we have this logo section, so if you work with other garden centers or companies, you can just put the logos over here. And then we have this at the left side, we have a request for project consultation, so if someone wants to contact you, they can contact you at the right side, and they will get the 20% off. I hope you guys like this layout, and if you did, if you want to purchase this layout, then link in the description, you can go from there and purchase the layout from our store. The name of our store is diviawesome.com, so you can purchase it from there. And for more such videos, please consider subscribing our channel, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.